Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix copy paste not working in remote desktop connection on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your copy paste not working on your remote desktop connection, then I will show you a simple method to resolve this issue. First of all, you need to just click on start menu, then type here remote desktop connection. Click on remote desktop connection. You can see here show option. Click on this. After that you can see here local resources. Just click on this. After that you will find local devices and resources. Just click on more option. You have to make sure that driver is check mark. After checking the drives, just click OK and make sure that clipboard is also check mark. If it is unchecked, just check mark and click on connect. After doing this, once try, hope your issue will be resolved. If still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Just open the task manager, right click on start menu and click on task manager. Here you need to find RDP clip. Just right click on that and click on end task. After that just click on file, click on run new task, then type here RDP clip and hit enter and close this window. And try the third method. Just click on start menu again, then type here edit group policy. You can see here edit group policy. Just click on this. Just expand this one and extend this also. First you can see here under computer configuration, you can see here administrative templates. Double click and expand. After that you can see here Windows component. Double click and expand. After that you need to find remote desktop services. You can see remote desktop services. Double click and expand. After that you will find remote desktop session host. After that you will find remote desktop session host. Double click on that. After that you will find device and resource redirection. You can see here double click, or you can just single click on that. After that here you can find do not allow clipboard. You can see here do not allow clipboard redirection. Double click on that. If it is enabled, you just need to select disable or not configured. You can select any one of them. After that just click on apply, then click OK. After trying this, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix copy paste not working on remote desktop connection. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.